Good day to all. This is Amrithalingam Madhu. Today's topic is Vastu tips for Northwest Corner. Before move on to the topic, let's see quote for the day. Work hard, push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Hard work never fails anywhere. Let's move on to the topic. Vastu tips for Northwest Corner. Let's see three subtopics. First one, how to construct a northwest corner as per Vastu rules. Second, what are all the common mistakes in northwest corner? Point number 3, what is the impacts if we construct a non-compliance of Vastu rules in the northwest corner? How to construct a northwest corner as per Vastu rules? Point number 1, northwest corner should be 90 degree. Point number 2, northwest we can keep a toilet, septic tank, bathroom. Point number 3, northwest west T junction is good. Point number 4, northwest north T junction is not good. Point number 5, northwest we can keep car parking. Point number 6, northwest we can keep staircase. Point number 7, northwest we should not make a security room in the northwest corner, in the closed corner. Point number 7, northwest we can keep balcony. Point number 8, northwest we can keep a guest bedroom. Point number 9, northwest we can keep puja room. Point number 10, northwest we can keep kitchen or dining or kitchen related storeroom we can keep. So these are all the things we should construct in the northwest corner. Second topic is, what are all the common mistakes in the northwest corner? Generally people are making a mistake. People construct a toilet below the staircase. This is the common mistakes. When it is a north facing house, this is the common mistake many people are doing. This is the biggest mistake in Vastu Shastra. Point number 2, in metro cities, people are saying we don't have a space to construct a septic tank. Many people constructing septic tank inside house, which is non-compliance of Vastu rules. Point number 3, northwest portico. Point number 4, northwest toilet, which is a closed type between a compound wall and house. Point number 5, northwest internal staircase. Point number 6, northwest what we can say, car parking inside a house. For example, if it is a west facing house, many people are making these kind of mistakes. Point number 6, high ceiling in the northwest corner. Point number 7, northwest north T junction. Point number 8, northwest cut or extension. Point number 9, northwest north main door. Point number 10, northwest overhead tank. So these are all the common mistakes, and also northwest borewell, well, sump. So these are all the common mistakes people are doing in the northwest corner. So what are all the impacts if we construct northwest corner not as per Vastu rules? It is a court related issues, case, and love marriage, financial issues, ladies health issues, and illegal affairs, and also some people investing in share market and losing everything. So these kind of major issues happen, major accidents, unnatural deaths. So these kind of problems may happen in case of northwest issues. So please be construct northwest corner as per Vastu for happy and peaceful life. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you.